So with internet, people have developed websites that can help connect people to their problem solvers, and they get their problems solved as fast and as easily as possible. And I'm going to be sharing with you a website where you can find people looking for help academically, like people that are looking for people to help them with their homework, and then they get paid for their services. Now, the best part about this website is that you can use it from wherever you are in the world, and you can trust to find good people to be able to answer your questions and to help you out with your academic work so that you get good grades. So whether you are a student in college or in high school, you might want to take advantage of this opportunity. Sign up with this website, and if you're someone, a tutor or a teacher or someone who has knowledge about any academic work, you may also want to take advantage and sign up with this website. So as you can see from here, these are the amount of money people are willing to pay to anybody that can answer their questions. And as you can see, this place is written urgent, urgent, urgent. You see how bad they need answers to this question. And here some are willing to pay $20, $10, $100, $389. That is approximately $400. And see the categories of subjects you have: engineering, education, biology, astronomy, geography. So if you have a good knowledge about any of these, you might want to sign up to this website. Now, before I continue and of course review the name of this website, because I know that's probably what you're waiting for, please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how to make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. And please do not leave this video once you have seen the website. Make sure to watch to the very end so that you get the related information you need to get started. And if you're looking to ask a question, maybe you're a student or you're looking to have answers to any question, you click here, it says ask a question, and you see how you can like attach your question. If there's a file, you attach it here, and then you click next and then finish up to the end. And here, if you have answers to questions, you click here to provide answers to questions that are already here on this category. So it's a very good way of starting up, making some money if you're in the academic line or you have a good knowledge about a particular thing. Now, the name of the website is called schoolsolver.com, and I'm going to take you to testimonials of people. These are testimonies people have made about this place. This one says, School Solver, thanks to you, I was able to get a review guide done for my math finals. So these are people's testimony to show you how real, how genuine, and how much of an accurate answer people usually get from this website. Now, here are the top earners on this website. This person has made $1,804. This one has made $18,369. So this is a great way of making money on the side if you're a teacher or if you have a good knowledge about academic work. So you can get signed up to this website. And to sign up, you have to register. Like I mentioned earlier, you click here to register. And once you have filled out these forms, you will receive an email. This is referral code, that is if you're being referred by somebody. Then once you have finished your registration, you're going to get an email that will ask you to confirm your account and do the remaining necessary things. So you may want to consider this if you are looking to make extra money on the side, if you're a teacher or a student or anybody that has knowledge to share. So you must not necessarily know everything, provided you're able to know how to look for what you're looking for on the internet and where to look for what you need to see on the internet. And of course, with the emergence of AI like ChatGPT, you can always have a way around like any question that you may be looking for its answer, provided you have a prior knowledge, because it is very, very important. So this website is a great side hustle for you if you're in the academic line. Please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how to make money online, and like this video too, so that you can show it to other people to take advantage of the opportunity. And you can also check out other videos on my YouTube channel if you're looking to know the high income skill that you may acquire today to be relevant to 2024. You may want to check out this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.